Hey y'all, Ibrix Guy here, and within this video I'm going to show you how to assemble the Shark Navigator Swivel DLX. And you can expand this video's description and then click the link there to find where to order it online. Without further ado, let's get started. Something I've always appreciated about Shark, and this is only my second Shark vacuum because my first Shark vacuum finally died, and you can check out my old Shark Navigator video on my channel. That was filmed when I got my original Shark, and off the top of my head, I think it was at least 5 or 6 years ago. I'm not in front of YouTube right now, but I mean, that is an incredible lifespan for a very affordable and just easy to assemble and easy to use vacuum. So I expect the same from this. If I get at least 3 or 4 years of life out of this, I will be a happy camper. So let's put it together. So I'm going to look at the instruction manual here. And let's see, assembly. Okay, step 1 is to click this little foot thing on. Or I call it a foot thing, you can call it whatever you want to call it. And see, that mates up. You can see the little things. It's clicky click. And then number 2 is this top handle, paying attention to the direction of the handle. So let's see. Only one, well actually both sides have a screw hole. Let's see. One has a notch. So you're going to want to look at the notch side. Also this handle, this piece is going to go towards the rear. You can see when you stick it in, that'll go in like that. So now it's in, and now we're going to put the screw in there. Screw is this thing in the bag. Let's see. So it goes inside here. I got to get a screwdriver. Got my screwdriver. I'm going to tighten it. And it's not going in like all the way, so I'm assuming, yeah, that's fine. So I got that. And now it says click in this little hose right here. So that's this hose. Let's see, so I'm going to stick it in. Okay, so the piece that's kind of got the little tabs and stuff, it goes on this right here. It's got a groove on each side so you can see. So it snaps in, it clicks. Okay, that's easy enough. And then that goes on that. That is easy. Now, I'm going to put my little, well, let's see. It says to clip. Okay, that piece, curiously enough, is already on there. And then this piece says to click down here, you know, just so you got it on your vacuum. So we got that there. And now it's saying clip this hose. So let's see, it's got a direction that it wants this hose to go. Oh, okay, I see. See, it's got this little clip thing down here. So you stick your hose in there. Now actually, before I do that, I probably want to get this power cord out of the way. Okay, now I got the hose in there. Got my hose. And let's see, then it says to go up. I'm going up here with the hose. And then let's see, it says, this vacuum has huge suction power and is equipped with a suction release feature. Release suction to make it easier to push and pull on high pile carpets and rugs. Makes me feel excited. Got that off, no residue. That's a good thing. And let's see. Now as far as how this goes here, and it is worth mentioning, it does go over this. So I guess it just, even though it's got these little holes on the side, oh, okay. Release suction. It says to release suction, push down. That's why that's on there. So even though there's holes, that's just how it's designed there. Let me just double check. What I always like to do too is look at the box. Did I go too high up with the hose? Or did I? No, that's right. And then see what you can do. See, to pull down. See, this pulls off, and then you can get your you can pop this out of the side here, and you can get this little doohickey. You kind of use it like that, or you can get this doohickey. Kind of use it like that. So that's why that is like it is. Very simplistic design. I love this. And just how everything just fits in here. You know, now I don't have junk all in my laundry closet. I've just got it all attached to this. And then to put this back on, you know, you do like that. You go up and over and down. It's that simple. So that is how to assemble, or how I assembled, the Shark Navigator Swivel DLX. So again, expand this video's description and then click the link there to find where to order this online. And check out my review video too. But I mean, just an amazing piece of equipment that was very easy to assemble and seems to have a minimal amount of parts. So, oh, and just part of this video, since it is the assembly, you're probably wondering how the power cord stores on it. So I'll show you that. So if you're not like, I mean, if you're unlike me, there may be a little bit of time before you actually do your first, before you use it for the first time. So I'm going to go ahead and neatly put this cord on. When I say a little bit of time, I'm just saying, you know, probably an hour, because I'm going to eat some fried chicken and get some energy, because this is going to be exciting. And obviously I'm going to video the entire thing. But see, look at that. This cord just wraps around here, like so. Wraps around, very long cord, as I mentioned earlier. Or I don't know if I mentioned it in this video, but I did the unboxing video. Look at that. Super nice. Look at that. Ha ha ha. Oh man, I'm excited. Tell me what you think. And again, expand this video's description and then click the link there to find where to order this vacuum online. Also, check out my steam mop videos. If you're like me, especially during these times, filming this video during 2020, you know everything that's going on in the world, and you know, trying to keep everything super clean is of utmost importance, at least for me. So, oh man, I'm excited. Thanks for your viewership, and be sure to subscribe. YouTube.com/IRIXGuide, and ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Captain IRIX Guy here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com /IRIXGuy. And ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.